Hi, welcome to Travel on a Budget. My name is Ihor, and today I would like to show you how to make a quick, fresh cup of coffee in a dorm room or apartment without coffee maker, just using a microwave. Check it out. I have a cup of water, bowl, coffee filters. I use two. First, I'm gonna pour the water here. And use a second filter over and for my coffee. Using a dry spoon. Depends how strong do you like it. I like 2-3 tablespoons of coffee, so it's enough for me. And that's it, ta-da! And we can put that, it depends, because microwave is 800 watts here, so I have to put for 2.5 minutes. Normally it will be 1.5 minutes and your coffee is ready. Here it is. Here we go. Take this bowl, put into microwave. I put 2 minutes there and we'll see result. And when it's done, take it from the microwave, put it on the table, let it sit for another probably minute, and remove the filters. One's got the fuzz, another is a second cleaning, so that your coffee is nice and clean, and your cup. So quick and useful without any coffee makers. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and we'll be cooking later. We'll be cooking potato wedges in a microwave oven. This one, 800 watts. Not a big one, little broken, but works great. Thanks again. See you later.